and guess how much I paid for it. Honestly, the quality is a little bit not really up to my expectations, but I probably only pay under 10 bucks for it, so you know, can't really have your expectations too high. Same rules apply for men. Hi everyone, my name is Angie. Welcome back to my channel. This video is an Aliexpress home decor haul. I recently received a package from Aliexpress. I've waited 20 days for this package and I was so excited yesterday finally to be able to open it. I'd like to show you guys each single item I got from Aliexpress and also to share with you the price I pay for each single item. And I know that maybe you're skeptical about Aliexpress before, which it was the same case for me. For those of you who does not know what Aliexpress is basically this e-commerce platform, same concept as Amazon, like eBay. But the only thing is the majority of the shop owners and manufacturers are based in China. So the price of the items on Aliexpress are ridiculously cheap. Like for example, you will find a piece of clothes, like a piece of t-shirt for like 5 USD or even less. So it was the same case for me when I was browsing on Aliexpress, and I did not really buy any clothes or jewelry this time there because the pricing is just really too good to be true. And for the first time I want to go for something it's slightly safer, so I purchased pretty much everything in a home decor category. And I just wanted to show you guys like what I got and also what's my personal experiences on shopping on Aliexpress, and also to answer the question whether it's really worthy to buy stuff from there. So without saying too much, let's just jump into it. The first item I wanted to show you guys are the paintings. So this is, oops, I'm having trouble showing you guys the true size on camera because it's a little bit too big. Like, I didn't really pay attention to the dimension when I was purchasing online, and this is really one of my biggest mistakes. So I will tell you the length is 70 centimeters and the width is 50 centimeters. The quality of it, I'm very surprised and I'm very happy about how good quality the painting is. So for this one I paid 9.2 USD dollars. I actually got two. So oops, this is, oh, I'm having, so this is actually the second painting, and you can see that the theme is matching each other. I originally wanted to hang both of them on the wall that is behind my bed frame, but now I maybe have to do a bit adjustment because the size is a little bit too overwhelming. But yeah, for the pricing I paid, like I said, I paid $9.2 for each. So in total is $18.4 for both of the painting, which I am very happy on this purchase, on how everything turned out. The second item, oops, I wanted to show you guys is this round mirror. The dimension of it is 50 centimeter the diameter, and it's really simple, and this is really what I've been looking for a while. The first time I saw it was in IKEA, but I think the price was like 40 to 60 USD dollar, which I'm not really willing to pay that much for a mirror like this. For this one I paid 8.7 USD, so you can already see that this is way cheaper than how much you would normally pay in a home decor shop. Moving on to the third item, which is the basket here. I am using it, I'm not going to show you the inside of the basket because currently I'm using it as my dirty laundry basket. When I first saw it on Aliexpress, I was really skeptical about whether the quality would be good and whether it would be true to size or not. So the basket I paid for 7.8 USD dollars. So yeah, like I think till now you can see that the price for each item is really cheap. Like I honestly did not buy anything that is more than 20 USD from Aliexpress, and I am so far very happy with every single item. So moving on to the next one, which might looks a little bit weird when I first show it to you guys on camera. Like I don't know whether it makes much sense. So this one is a wooden hanger. On the bottom of it, there's golden hook like this for you to hang hats and any stuff that you wanted to hang on it. So for me, I'm just using it as my necklace hanger. I think it looks a lot better when I'm hanging on the wall. Like I'll show you guys in 2 seconds. But this is one of the unique items that I bought on Aliexpress, because I feel like you don't really find this kind of wooden hanger just in every single home decor shop. So when I saw it on Aliexpress, I was like, I need to have it. This one I spent at $8.7. So, you know, like it's not too bad, right? But imagine $8.7 is already considered as like expensive items on Aliexpress. Moving on to a bunch of glasses. I actually got 3, but I can only hold 2 at the time. The first set I got is here. If I put them together, you can see this one is taller and this one is slightly shorter and chubbier. So for the taller one, let me just show you the details. I'm currently just putting my cotton pad inside and putting in the bathroom. So like, you know, to prevent any dust and waters to go into it. But I can totally see myself like using it for other functions in the future. And for this one, since it's slightly bigger, I'm just using it to hold some of my earrings and my hair clips. Just to show you guys the price, so this one is 1.7 USD dollars and this one is 1.2. So isn't that amazing? Like I probably will end up paying $10 each, or like maybe even $15 each if I have to buy them from, let's say, IKEA or any other shops. And the next glass item I got is this cup. So you can see that this one is still taller than this one I got before. And I'm currently just using it to hold my makeup brushes. Obviously for the demo purpose, I take all of the brushes out so you guys can see it a bit more clear. And it also has a bit details on the outside of it. The price for this is, let me check, this is $1.7. The next bunch of items I got are the vases. So this one, once again, for this white, not white, it's like beige color. So for this one, when I got it, I wasn't paying attention to the size again. And I was honestly expecting something like half of the size. But, you know, I'm not complaining because I think this is actually a good height to be used as vase. I haven't really had a chance to go to flower market yet, so I'm not really utilizing the vase really at this point. This one, when I bought it on Aliexpress, the shop owner tells me this is a vase as well, but I don't think I'm gonna use it as vases because it's a little bit too short and it will be hard to hold flowers, I guess. But this one, guess what is the price? I paid like 80 cents for it, like 80 cents, like not even $1. Like this is how cheap it is. But for this one, since it's a little bit more complicated and it also looks a little bit more, you know, a bit fancier, so I end up paying $2.2 for this one. But you know, $2.2, like it's still something that you don't even care, like since it's so cheap. Moving on to the next one is the tablecloth. Like, I think this is my least favorite purchase from AliExpress this time. So for this tablecloth, I paid 5.1 USD dollar. There's nothing special about it. I'm just using it to cover my table since it's a little bit wore out and there's a lot of scratch on the surface. So I'm just gonna use this to cover it up. Like the quality, like the material, the fabric is really thin. Since I only paid $5 on it, I guess I can't really complain. So the next one I wanted to show you guys is, is this shelf. I'm thinking it to put it beside my table and just to store some of my books and some of my plants and maybe candles and small stuff like that. And the price for this one is 10 USD dollar. It was really easy to assemble together. It maybe took me like less than 10 minutes to really just screw everything. The final item I wanted to show you guys is the end table. Like, this is the biggest item I got this time from AliExpress, and it looks like this. For the end table, I paid $20 on it. I could easily find the same thing probably on IKEA or on other furniture shop for like $60–70 for the same thing, but on AliExpress it's only $20. And then also it was really easy to assemble together. Now I finished showing you guys every single item I got this time from AliExpress and also the price. So to answer the question whether is it worthy to purchase stuff on AliExpress, my answer would be yes, like 100% yes. I've said it so many times. I'm really happy on pretty much 95% of my purchase, and I really have nothing to complain since the whole process of buying on AliExpress is really straightforward. You just go into the shop, you click on the item you want to buy, and then you read the description and you can also see the comment, and then you just pay for it. Like, if you wanted to communicate with the shop representative, you can also do so. A lot of them do speak English, so don't worry about that, and you can also use your credit card to finish any purchase. And also, just to mention on the shipping, so my location is Singapore, so I figure it's slightly easier for me to purchase on AliExpress and have the items to ship it from China to Singapore compared to you guys if you're buying from AliExpress and I wanted to ship it all the way to the United States. For this time I paid around 20 USD for the shipping, so it's still very cheap, because sometimes, you know, like if I'm buying some sort of clothing from United States or Canada, I end up paying $20 as well, just for like maybe 2-3 t-shirts. But this time for AliExpress I paid 20 USD for like a big ass blue bags, and then it contains all of like the items I just showed you guys. Let's say if I have to rate my shopping experiences on AliExpress this time, I would give it like 8.5 out of 10, because I didn't really have anything that I wanted to complain, and then all of my items came in time and it was all, you know, safe and sound, and then nothing break. Even my mirror didn't break. Like, that was just a miracle. Maybe next time I will try buy clothing or jewelry from AliExpress and then to do another haul. If you wanted to see something like this, and just comment down below and let me know. This is pretty much the end of this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.